Imagine waking up to a world where your favorite celebrity isn't human, it's a creation of code and artificial intelligence. I know it sounds like science fiction, but bear with me. We're already seeing the rise of virtual influencers on social media, and it's changing the game. They're digital avatars with millions of followers, and they're not just limited to endorsing products, they're creating their own content, music, and even interacting with fans. I've been thinking, what if these AI-generated celebrities become the new norm? It's a crazy thought, but let's explore it. I've been following the story of Lil Miquela, a virtual influencer who's been making waves on social media. She's a digital character with over 3 million followers on Instagram, and she's worked with top brands like Calvin Klein and Prada. But here's the thing, she's not human, she's a creation of AI. And I think that's what makes her so interesting. We're living in a world where social media is everything, and if you're not online, you're basically non-existent. And that's where virtual influencers come in, they're always available, always online, and always ready to create content. It's like having a superhuman influencer who never gets tired, never gets sick, and never says no to a brand deal. But what does this mean for real influencers? Will they become obsolete in a world where AI-generated celebrities can do everything they can, but better and faster? I think that's a question we should be asking ourselves. And it's not just about influencers, it's about the entire digital culture we're creating. As I was reading about virtual influencers, I stumbled upon an analogy that made it all click. Think of AI-generated celebrities like digital Barbie dolls. They're perfect, they're polished, and they're always dressed to impress. But they're not human, and that's what makes them so alluring. We can create them to be anything we want, and that's both exciting and terrifying. And that's where the concept of digital culture comes in. We're creating a world where the lines between reality and fantasy are blurring. It's like living in a video game, where anything is possible and nothing is real. But is that a good thing? I'm not so sure. As someone who's interested in technology and AI, I have to say that I'm both fascinated and a little concerned about the rise of AI celebrities. They're like the ultimate digital chameleons, they can change their appearance, their voice, and even their personality to suit any brand or audience. It's like having a superpower, but it's also a little unsettling. But what if I told you that AI-generated celebrities are not just limited to social media? They're being used in movies, TV shows, and even music videos. It's like having a digital actor who can perform any role, without the need for makeup, costumes, or even a trailer. And that's where things get really interesting. I was talking to a friend the other day, and we were discussing the potential of AI-generated celebrities in the entertainment industry. He said something that really stuck with me. If we can create digital humans that are indistinguishable from real ones, what does that mean for the future of entertainment? It's a question that's been on my mind ever since. As we explore this new world of virtual influencers and AI celebrities, I think we need to ask ourselves some tough questions. What does it mean to be human in a world where digital avatars can mimic our every move? Is it possible for AI-generated celebrities to truly connect with their audience, or are they just a clever imitation? And that's where the concept of empathy comes in. Can we truly empathize with a digital character, or are they just a collection of code and pixels? I think that's a question we should be asking ourselves, especially in a world where social media is dominated by virtual influencers. But as I was thinking about this, I realized something. Maybe AI-generated celebrities are not meant to replace human ones, but to augment them. Maybe they can help us explore new ideas, new concepts, and new forms of creativity. Maybe they can even help us become more human, by showing us what it means to be artificial. As I reflect on this, I realize that I'm still unsure about the future of AI-generated celebrities. Part of me is excited about the possibilities, but another part of me is concerned about the implications. And I think that's what makes this topic so fascinating. It's a mix of both wonder and trepidation. So, what do you think? Are AI-generated celebrities the future of entertainment, or a threat to human connection? It's a question that's been on my mind for weeks, and I'd love to hear your thoughts. As we explore this new world of virtual influencers and AI celebrities, I think we need to be curious, open-minded, and a little bit skeptical. And as we navigate this complex landscape, I think we'll discover new and exciting things about the potential of AI-generated celebrities. We'll see them pop up in our social media feeds, in our favorite TV shows, and even in our music playlists. It's a brave new world, and we're just starting to scratch the surface. But for now, I'll leave you with a thought-provoking question: what happens when the line between reality and fantasy disappears completely? It's a question that's been haunting me, and I think it's one that we'll be grappling with for years to come. If you're as curious as I am about the future of AI-generated celebrities, then join me on this journey of exploration and discovery, and let's see where it takes us. You can subscribe to my channel for more content like this.